TIS controls and monitors all ZigBee 3.0 standard protocols using its ZigBee Hub and the TISB product range. The TISB lighting range includes switches, dimmers, RGB bulbs, and LED drivers. To add ZigBee devices to your hub using TIS DevSearch software, find and open your ZigBee Hub by selecting it and double-clicking on it. Go to the ZigBee Devices tab, then select the Lighting Device option. Go to your ZigBee device, for example the Eon wall switch, and physically press its first button for 6 seconds until it starts slow blinking. Once it blinks, quickly press the button 3 times in a row, without any delay. The device will then start fast blinking. This indicates that it is entering joining network mode. In the software, click on Open Join window. The joining mode will start a 255-second countdown to join any ZigBee devices in joining mode. Wait a few seconds, and you will see the ZigBee switch information appear in your list automatically in yellow color. If the device does not appear after 1 minute, you can try clicking on Read Status from Converter. Double-click on the channel that appeared, and you can test the channel by turning it on or off. Add a comment, and either keep the default channel number or change it. Assign it to a specific room. For Power On status, you can assign how the hub will react after a power outage. Restore to off, the channel will be turned off. Restore to on, the channel will be turned on. Restore to toggle, the channel will switch to the opposite status when powered on. Restore to previous status, the channel will return to its previous state before the blackout. You can add additional ZigBee switches, dimmers, and modules to the network one by one. To add a ZigBee Lite 2-channel relay module, press and hold the programming button for 6 seconds until it starts slow blinking. Once it blinks, press the button 3 times quickly, without delay, and it will start fast blinking. This indicates that it is entering joining network mode. You can follow the same process for each channel. To add a ZigBee Venera 3 gang switch, or any other type of switch or dimmer, follow the same method. Be sure to write the comments and test each channel in the software, as described above. In the channel linking section, you can link 2 ZigBee channels or buttons to work as two-way switches. For example, if we want to link channel 14 spare button to channel 9 passage to work as two-way switches, press the channel linking button. In this hub, you can link up to 16 two-way switches. Enable the first one and type the channels you want to link. In our example, set channel A as channel 9 and channel B as channel 14 to link them together, then press Save. Once linked, these 2 channels will turn on or off together and can be controlled from both devices. To clear the color of newly added devices, press Clear New Device Color. You can also locate your ZigBee device by physically pressing its on-off button. Check the status to see which channel is turning on or off, and observe the color change to yellow. Once you've located the device, you can clear the color by pressing Clear Changing Device Color. In the Record No section, you can check whether the product is online or offline on the ZigBee network. If the status is red, it means the device is offline. If it's green, the device is online. When you're finished, all your channels will be saved in the database. To check, go to Project Config, choose Rooms, and review your channels.